Ngahiha mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Kericho na Meru ni gutuika kioneria kuri atongoria ikiro-ini ciothe Kiama-ini Kia Uda thutha wa Munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua kuruta mukana muhiu kuri atongoria aria mari na itanya ria kwagarara mawatho na mitaratara ya kiama. Thutha wa gikaro na MCAs a kaunti ya Kericho afisi-ini yake guku Nairobi, riu Munini wa president ni ahotete kuiguithania MCAs aya na aria macongoiranire o nginya gutukurana bara mbunge-ini.
The leaders present here have unanimously agreed that we amicably resolve all the outstanding issues and restore peace and normalcy in Kericho. Subsequently, in the meeting, the issue of the leadership of the House of the Assembly have been resolved to the satisfaction of each and every member.
Agikinyaniria umwe wa mawira maria athukiirwo ni president gutigira uiguithanio murumu wa thirikari cia kaunti na thirikari nene we hada. Munini wa president arauga ihinda ni ikinyu atongoria athure rungu rwa kiama kia UDA marumirire mawatho na mitaratara kunina ngurani ciao.
I want to take this opportunity to tell all members of UDA across the country that the elections are over and we have a responsibility to the people of Kenya to facilitate development. We want, where there are issues, the party mechanism is available to help members to solve those issues without going to the embarrassing situations we found in Kericho. Such happenings are unacceptable because the UDA party is the ruling party. It is led by the President of the Republic of Kenya, and we cannot agree to have embarrassing situations anywhere in the country.
Mihango ota ino ya gwetha thayo na uiguano no irathi na mbere kaunti-ini ya Meru. Rigathi akiuga kiumia giukite ni agacemania na atongoria a mbunge cieri kuma kaunti ino, MCAs na Gavana Kawira Mwangaza riria ikereka ria muthia ria gwetha urumwe wari thutha wa Senate kuhonokia Kawira Mwangaza mwaka muthiru kumana na kuhagurwo.
We therefore urge all our leaders across the country from the UDA party and by extension the Kenya Kwanza coalition to always seek for unity, and where there are issues, resolve them amicably the way we have done this morning, so that the party backs the government to execute its mandate to the people of Kenya.
Kiumia githiru kaunti-ini ya Bomet, President Ruto ni arutiire atongoria mukana wa gwithemana na ciiko cia ucogeri, akiuga ihinda ria uteti ni ikinyu muthia.
Naona bado kuna viongozi wengine bado wanang'ang'ana na mambo ya vyeo. Bado huyu anatafuta hii, mwingine anatafuta ile. Mimi nataka niwaambie MCAs wa Kericho, wacheni upuzi.
Giribotera Kameme TV, retwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.